AI can help you write emails, generate ideas, summarize documents, and speed up all kinds of work tasks. But what if you start relying on it too much? That's where AI skill erosion kicks in. This phenomenon occurs when you stop using your own problem-solving, writing, or critical thinking skills because you've outsourced them to a machine. It doesn't happen overnight, but slowly, it becomes harder to write clearly without help, or to organize your thoughts without prompts, or to explain something in your own words because AI's been doing it for you for so long. You can even start falling behind on emerging skills and practices. That's not the future we want. Here are a few ways to keep yourself sharp, even with AI in your toolbox. Start before you prompt. Try writing a rough draft first, then let AI clean it up or refine your message, not create it from scratch. Double-check suggestions. Don't accept outputs blindly. Ask yourself, would I say it like this? Or is this actually true? AI is fast, but not always right. Mix it up. Don't automate every repetitive task. Keep doing some of them yourself, just to stay fluent and confident in your own skills. Set boundaries. Reserve some tasks as AI-free zones, like drafting personal messages or doing first-pass edits, to preserve your company's voice. AI is an incredible assistant, but your judgment, voice, and creativity still matter. Don't lose touch with them, because if you don't use those muscles, you'll lose them. Check your inbox next week for another video short on security threats, breaking news, and tips for staying cyber secure.